Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your profile of Bigo Live from your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the Bigo Live app. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, open the app and on the screen you can see at the bottom there are live, video, go live, chats and me option. Tap on me, then at the top right corner, select the user icon and you'll be on your profile. There on the top right corner, beside the edit option, there's share option. Now you can see you can copy the link to your profile and share it to WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, etc. You can send the link from any other social media apps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.